guys, and welcome back to Top Car Detailing. In this next video we're going to be looking at the Porsche Carrera S, 17-year-old car, and the paintwork on this vehicle is in a bit of a mess. Checking the paint depth as well as we're going along on the vehicle, getting rid of all the swirl marks and holograms and that type of thing, and then we'll be applying it as ceramic coating later on. Anyhow, check out the video and I'll be back soon.
I've got a Porsche Carrera S in for detailing, just having a look round the car. We haven't washed this vehicle as yet, but there is quite a few scratches in the paintwork. Just taking a look round this side here, there's a deep scratch there running along the wing. These wheels have also been refurbished too, so we'll be coating them later. And just having a look round here, and some really bad blemishing marks there in the paintwork.
So on the Porsche here, this is 17 years old, but obviously there's something in the back of the headlight here we can't get at. So just going to see if we can get this out. Yeah, this is obviously an old car, and as you can see we've got something in the back of the light and we can't get it out. So what we're going to have to do is get a piece of wire here and see the thing here, get it there. There we go, we've removed it. So that saves it being unsightly as well, just using a piece of wire like that in the back of the light. That's another job done. Right, job's a good one. Just going to have a look at this particular area here, and we've got some really bad blemishes in the paintwork, but I'll come back to that in a second when we get the scramble grip light onto it, and then we can have a look. But we have a look here, got 171 microns, (118 microns, so you can see the massive difference there. 133 here. So probably in the past this has had some paint work done on this vehicle, and when I move the light across we can see these defects here, like rub and scuff marks within the top coat of lacquer, or what the ceramic coating was on this vehicle in the first place. Another thing that's quite important as well is having the right skill set and know exactly what compound, pad, machine, speed, etc. To remove the coating as well. Also getting back to the original paintwork, doing the correction work on that as well, but also not overdoing it, diminishing the top coat of lacquer as we do in the polishing. So that's the first stage of machine polishing done now on this fantastic Porsche Carrera S. As I said, lots of issues there in the paintwork in the first place, getting rid of the old ceramic coating and getting rid of the swirl marks and hologram. So now we'll be moving on to the second stage of polishing, and then hopefully a bit later on today we shall be moving on to applying the ceramic coating. Remember before, all them blemishes that was in the paintwork there, we've got rid of all of them now.
Right, so now we've finished the second stage of machine polishing now on this fantastic Porsche Carrera S here. Lots of defects was in the paintwork in the first place, and also we had to remove the ceramic coating that was on the paintwork too. So as you can see now, the gloss level is truly outstanding on this car. No coating on this whatsoever at the moment, and this is just the absolute gloss and look in the business. Look at the depth of reflections there in the paintwork.
Another fantastic car to detail here at Top Car Detailing. So what we'll do, we'll just take a look round at a few things that I've done on this particular car, and I'll show you the finished results, what can be achieved when you bring your car here to me personally at Top Car Detailing. I cleaned all the engine bay, or what should be the engine bay basically, up here. Treated all the carpets inside as well, and all the plastics too. So this car is looking more like new than 17 years old. What I did is treated all the glass on the vehicle as well. Same with the rear window, different coating again as well on the windscreen. What I did as well, polished the windscreen and give it our unique coating, and as you can see now, look at that, the hydrophobic quality on this is phenomenal. As I say, got a special offer on at the moment if you're interested in that. All in between these vents too were badly scratched as well. And remember before what I said, the ceramic coating that was supposedly put on the vehicle in the first place, but really wasn't up to much. So I machine polished all these, two-stage polish overall, and sorted that out as well. Now remember as well, this is a 17-year-old car. Obviously there was issues there, massive issues in the paintwork beforehand with them scratches and swirl marks, that type of thing, and the old ceramic coating that was on there in the first place. So as I say, lots of machine polishing needed to turn this car around, but you can see, look at the depth of reflections there now in the paintwork. As you would have noticed before I started doing all the machine polishing, I had a look around the vehicle as well. And this area here was really badly marked, loads of blemishes there in the paintwork as well, but certainly got rid of all of those too. All the rubber seals all around the doors, around near the wing mirrors as well, and the front bulkhead have all been dyed jet black too, so they're fully protected as well, and that's a specific ceramic coating that we have got now here at Top Car Detailing. So if you'd like any further information on that, don't hesitate, give us a call. You would have seen before, all this plastic here was going really dull and grey, but obviously weather beaten over time as well, and we've treated that and ceramic coated that too. So here as well, before there was really bad scratch run all the way down this particular panel too. And obviously the customer's quite concerned about that in case he needed a body shop repair, or machine polish that out as well and fix that for him. Now these wheels was also refurbished as well, so what we did The faces of these all ceramic coated too, to go with the rest of the vehicle, so I think that sets it off as well nicely now for this car. What's also did is cleaned all this area up as well and treated the internal parts too. Another thing that's a bit quirky as well in the Porsche here, we lift this up, what we got here, umbrella in case it's raining. Well, thanks once again for watching another video on our YouTube channel. And we're always working on nice cars here, and you never know, your car could also feature too in one of our videos. All it takes is one phone call, and if you like to book an appointment with me, come down for a free appraisal on your car, and I can give you the right advice moving forward. Anyway, I'm going to have to go now, and I'll be back soon with more nice cars. Catch you later.